So I wanted to piggyback on some of the stuff that we was talking about in the live last night. If you missed the live, make sure you go check it out, man. We went crazy. Shout out to the people that was part of the community, part of the chat, that was adding that good energy. I love to see that. It is Motivated Monday, not Mope Around Monday. So make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur in the algorithms. Now, this is a DOGELONMARS update, DOGELONMARS update, whatever you want to call it. 6036, up 15% on the day. We were at one point almost up 25% of the day. So we are seeing a little pullback as the traditional market seems to want to be having a red day. So just keep that in mind. Sometimes we are coupled with the traditional market. If you're new to the channel, our market cap is sitting at about $201 million, and the 24 volume family is up 419%. So understanding volume is not just buying, but it's also selling. But it's good to see that type of interaction with the crypto project, to see that people have interest. When you see high volume up 400%, it's showing you, family, that people have interest in the project. You can see here the circulating supply for Elon is about 55%. We would like to see that a little bit higher, north of 75%, but due to the fact that this project is the founders and stuff like that is mysterious and they don't have unlocks, I don't think that we have to worry about actually getting dumped on. Plus, the Methuselah Foundation has promised to be a steward of the project for the next 900 years. So let's focus on the charts here, though. Let's get into a little bit of analytics, a little bit of technicals. Now, if you watched the live, man, we was really focusing on the fact that these Bollinger Bands, family, are starting to tighten up. Now, this is the weekly time frame, so this is actually monumental. This is not a short time frame. This is showing you that we could potentially be primed for a big move to the upside or even the downside. Now, the other metrics show us that it could potentially be to the upside. As you can see, the RSI looks like it wants to trend to the upside. We got a reversal here on the MACD, which showing bullish strength. Is showing that people are actually buying the token opposed to selling the token. So we're getting more bullish strength opposed to selling pressure. And usually when you see these Bollinger Bands tighten up on a weekly, the project is priming itself for a major move. Now, the move could be to the upside or to the downside, but the other technicals are showing us that we could potentially be moving to the upside. So is this the start of a relief rally, Christmas rally, or even a bull run? I'd like to know you guys' opinion inside the comments. That's how I know you watched the video to the end. I also found it very interesting on these on-chain metrics that we actually have 32% of people within the community in the money, which is huge. It shows you that the Elon community is extremely smart and witty. They understand that DCA in the way in buying the dips, buying at the low, not at the top. So I'm excited to see that the community is starting to learn how to dollar cost average, man. If you don't know what dollar cost averaging is, go look it up, go do your research. I'm pretty sure it's plenty of YouTubers and plenty of articles on Google that explains it. But we got 32% in the money. That's a lot more difference than 17%, 18% like we've usually been seeing for the last 16 months. So shout out to everybody in the Elon community that's understanding the way. Right here, we got Elon Musk speaking on the potential integration of crypto into Twitter payments. Now, he didn't say a specific crypto, but we know anything that Elon Musk does is extremely bullish on DOGELONMARS and even Dogecoin. Check it out.
I want to have Twitter enable both regular payments and fiat currency, and make it easier to transact with crypto. We do want to.
So you heard it from the horse's mouth. There is a secret plan to start integrating crypto, and Elon Musk said himself, man. He said that the better the fiat system gets, the less relevant crypto gets. But the worse the fiat system gets, the more relevant crypto gets. And we know that the fiat system has been completely trashed. So, man, will we be seeing crypto start to slowly take over as far as adoption? Well, we're seeing a lot of adoption here as Crypto focused company Saber Bank said that it formed a partnership with financial services firm Hashkey Group to accelerate the institutional adoption of digital assets in Hong Kong and Switzerland. And for the people that's in USA, I want you guys to focus that crypto is actually a worldwide thing. It's not just the USA. So you're investing into something that potentially can change the world. And when we start to see these institutions strike these deals with these crypto companies, it just shows you that we're right around the corner from crypto adoption at a high pace, man. Only 1 to 4% only right now in the world know about crypto, man. So you're still early. Don't get discouraged. Use this time as a chance to learn. Look at it as college. Look at it as you paying your tuition. Look at it as, you just, paying for a course, and it's going to eventually pay off in the end. That delayed gratification. Now, I wanted to focus on a few metrics here, family, that's very, very important. What are we looking at right now is the Elon charts, but also the total crypto market cap charts, excluding Bitcoin. So I just thought that this was huge, man, because you can see here, this actually has Bitcoin, excuse me, but you can see here that Elon, man, it pretty much trades with the whole crypto space. And as you know, Bitcoin dominance is pretty high. I think it's like 38% or something like that. So, as Bitcoin moves, it seems like a lot of the meme coins move, especially DOGELONMARS. So there is a correlation there between Bitcoin and DOGELONMARS. So if you want to keep your eye also on the movements of Bitcoin, you can also kind of like time the movements of Elon, Dogecoin, and stuff like DOGELONMARS. Moving on along here, this is the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, when I was looking at this, I was seeing a couple bearish metrics. You can see here, man, we are flying under this 100-day moving average, and we're still in the accumulation stage. I did a video on this total market cap of the altcoins. Now, this is the altcoins without Bitcoin and Ethereum, family, and you can see here we clearly want to put in a head to shoulders patterns. Now, is the head and shoulder pattern complete? I'm not sure. It could be complete. Maybe this 323 billion right here for the total market cap of altcoins is the floor. But you can see right here, the RSI wants to put in a lower low. So if we get a lower low, that means we could even go lower on the total altcoin market cap, which would be bearish for altcoins. It means that we got at least one more leg down before we see that reversal. So keep your eye out on this crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think is a very, very telling analytic here, and you can actually learn a lot. And again, until we actually get it back above this 100-day moving average, we can't technically say that we're bullish. And until we actually break this downtrend here that we've been seeing for altcoins, again, we can't really say that we're bullish. If we get another lower low or lower high here, that means we're going down lower. So we got to break this, and I would like to see it eventually get over to 382, which is about $616 billion as far as altcoins. And a lot of YouTubers don't actually show this chart, but I want y'all to focus on this chart and kind of like understand why we're being patient and why we're not just aping in. You feel me? It's a lot of things outside of crypto, but also inside of crypto that can affect some of our favorite projects. So keep an eye on this crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and ETH. I just thought that was a cool little chart there. And you can see here the DXY is back rising. So we did get a drop to almost 103, but since then it's bounced off that support there, and it looks like it wants to head back up to maybe 104, 105. We'll just have to see how that plays out. It's definitely in a downtrend though. You can see here, man, putting lower highs, and lower lows. So it's definitely in a downtrend. But again, it seems like the crypto market hasn't been responding to the DXY chart as strong as it usually does. And that's just because we're around the holidays. People have responsibilities. People have priorities and things that they're trying to take care of outside of just the traditional stock market and the crypto market. So you got to understand right now, it's a lot of wish-wash money from whales, institutions, hedge funds. Everybody's trying to make that exit liquidity. And until we see a major spike on the VIX also, you know what I mean, we could again see another leg down. We could still be bearish. This could still be like kind of like a fake out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just being completely honest with y'all. We haven't seen that spike on the VIX here that shows us, you know, buying opportunities. I mean, look here in 2020, the VIX spiked all the way up to 55, 50. Well, what's that? 40. And over here in 2009, it spiked all the way up to 55. So you can see here, I had a tweet pulled up here, but you can see here, man, it's always been the rule, man. Buy stocks when the VIX is over 40 and sell stocks when the VIX is under 20. So it really makes sense because you can start to see people actually starting to sell their stocks. Stocks is actually selling off. So maybe this was the high. This was the high of the stocks, and we start to see that that real capitulation event to the floor. But I just thought that was extremely interesting that we still haven't seen that capitulation moment from the VIX, which is detrimental. Like we really need a a move over 40 for the VIX, and that's true pain. And until the Fed actually sees something like this, I don't think that they actually pivot. Maybe they slow down the rates, but I don't think they actually pivot because we really haven't seen that pain. True pain is when the VIX hits around 50. You know, north of 50 is actually true pain for the VIX. And again here, you can apply this to crypto. Buy stocks when the VIX is over 40. Sell stocks when the VIX is under 20. And if you don't know what the VIX is, man, it determines the volatility of the market. Make sure you go do your research. Keep an eye also on the tether dominance. You can see it's back rising. So again, you got to be real cautious of those weekend pumps, family. We're learning over here that we have to be very cautious of those weekend pumps. We like to see how the traditional market reacts on Monday. So we're not going to make the same mistakes we made 6 months ago. 3 months ago, we're going to continue to be patient and slowly DCA into this floor and a capitulation moment. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys. Be aware, man, this is the type of opportunity you have with meme coins. You feel me? He did this with Doge, and then Doge blew up. So a lot of people saying that, you know, Doge, they done made their runs, and the next to run is DogelonMARS. So again, man, we haven't seen that Dogecoin run, that Shiba Inu run. The bear market came and took over the bull market before we actually seen a huge run with DogelonMARS. So you can technically say that Elon token hasn't yet had its bull run, which is huge. And also, man, get your coins off those exchanges, man. Get you a ledger. Keep a little bit on the exchange and do your trading, man. But as you can see here, this is a guy that holds 376,000 worth of Dogecoin, talking about putting his coins on a ledger. So we're still early. This is from Da Vinci. Crypto adoption only roughly covers 0.5 to 4% of the world population, depending on the aspect that you measure. If you are in crypto today, you are early. So if you like the show, if you really learned something on today's show, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, leave that value, help the algorithms, man, so we can continue to grow in this bear market and take over the bull run. And most importantly, man, have a good start of the week, man. Monday usually sets the tone for the rest of the week, man, and I feel like you guys are gonna kill it this week. It's your boy Soap Guys TV, Millie. I'm out.